Stand with the hands by the side of the body, toes pointing forward. Step 1, hands in Namaskar position. 2, hands up and stretch back. 3, forward and bend down from the waist. Palms by the side of the feet, head to the knee. Stretch the left leg back, knee on the floor, chin up. Then right leg goes back, hips up and heels down. 6, bring the knees on the floor, hips on the heels, forehead on the ground. 7, stretch forward, upper body up, chin up. 8, hips up, heels down again. Slowly take the left leg forward, chin up again. Right leg forward, palms on the ground. 11, hands up and stretch back. 12, back to Namaskar position.